In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up two-factor authentication in your Binomo account. First, head into the main interface of your web application and find the profile icon. The profile icon can be found in the right side of the screen. Click on this and find the Security tab. And then click the Setup 2FA button inside the Security tab. In this screen, you have to input your phone number or contact information and then save it. Now click the Setup button. Next, you have to use Google Authenticator for setting up 2FA. In this part, you can watch a video or guide regarding Google Authenticator setup. Now, after watching it, you can now proceed in copying the passkey and setting it up in our Google Authenticator. Simply copy this passkey and enter this in the Enter a Setup Key button. After entering it, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code. Make sure to copy the 6-digit code and enter it in the input box. Also, don't forget to copy one of the recovery codes as shown above, since we will be using one of the recovery codes in finalizing the setup. Now, input it here and click Finish. As you can see, we have completed setting up two-factor authentication in our Binomo account. So that's it for our tutorial today. Thank you for listening.